guys, so we're going to make a Play-doh Easter egg. So we're going to open these 3 eggs, and then we're going to do this whole set of Play-doh surprises. So let's open this green egg. Wow! We got this little pony from My Little Pony. Let's put that Play-doh away. Let's see in our next egg. Wow! We got Puppy Doll from Minnie Mouse.
My puppy doll!
You'll watch that later. And then let's open our last egg. And then we will do this whole set. Wow, I see a lot of pink. Oh, get that put off there. Wow, we got Pinkie Pie from My Little Pony. Let's do this little set. Here's Sissy. So let's let my sister put all those toys. And let's put this Play-Doh away. So let's keep doing this set. And then we're going to be all done. Okay, guys. Let's do these 2 dresses. And see if they look very pretty. So let's do it. Come on, guys.